Home can be lost in a moment. A future can feel uncertain. But even in the face of displacement, dreams survive. For millions of refugees around the world, education is more than learning. It is hope. It is dignity. It is the opportunity to begin again.
Average time refugees spend in refugee camp is over 20 years. So actually it's a generation after generation that people stay there. The only way to get out of it is education.
Today, more than 17,000 refugees and more than 17,500 displaced persons are studying at University of the People. Because talent exists everywhere, but opportunity does not.
University of the People has been making access possible for refugees and displaced learners for many years. This is another iteration of how powerful University of the People and UNHCR can be in making new partnerships that bring additional types of value.
University of the People is committed to enroll 35,000 refugee students by 2030. And together with IBM Skills Build and UNHCR, 5,000 of these learners are gaining professional certificates in data analytics and cybersecurity. One opportunity can change everything.
If you have an opportunity for higher education, it will probably change your life. Sometimes it's hard, life stands in the way, you have family, you have other things, you are a refugee, there are a lot of difficulties. Try to overcome them. Try to learn in spite of the difficulties, because if you make it and get a great job, your life, your family life, your community's life will be changed. So do it. That's the key for a better future.
This World Refugee Day, let's make education accessible to all.